have seen and known of women in Jamaica, the amount of women would get born in Jamaica and get bad treatment, get disrespect, get used and abused. If we're supposed to take them emotional distress in hand and treat with it like how the men are treating with it, Jamaica would have no man in here. The man them would have dead off. The amount of women will get born, beaten, physical, emotional, spiritual, financial abuse from men. And when you get the bun, you have to just take it. The amount of man will marry and have outside children, have all the next family completely. And as a woman, you just have to take it. Me no know how Bellevue no full and a run over. I'll never say just God, providence and grace. Why enough Jamaican women stand up to the day. I true enough women now talk them problem and talk them truth. Sometimes you see some women at church, I get in a spirit. You think that the spirit of God I lick them. And when they remember how much pants them wash and clothes, and how much pit in them, how much I'll burn them. And at the end of the day, the clothes she press after the man go marry the next woman after she served 20 years with him already. A lot of women turn to church, turn to Bible, not because all they want going to church, but for help ease the problem and ease the pain. Sometimes you see some women that work them face been up like W every day because of the stress and the strain with them undergoing from men. A lot of women are bearing a lot. Some men come go on like said, I don't alone bear things. I don't alone bear things. Enough women are bear things too. I would not take it to that level. They would not do that something there. We just take time and take ourselves and cry. If we lose the weight, we lose the weight. And we just ball it out. Call a friend and talk to a friend. I want the owner saw. I want a problem. Only can't ease the power for the people them know to man. Enough is enough, man. The amount of women will get abused and do the things that I say if Jamaican women supposed to take up and do like what the man them a do. No man not gonna dare so. People, innocent children, you take them life like it's nothing. If you know say your heart weak, leave woman thing alone. Join a church and go out some pamphlet for a corner. And then you hear Jamaican me, oh, I love women. Love women as a what? As a what? The amount of women will get born day in, day out. Them get born, go get born, come. The ill treatment, right? The disrespect, the embarrassment. Sometimes you do with a good clean man, him take out some grass my pan you. You have to say, no sir, what me do why you eat me sir? I mean take a bread paper and what a problem. And you just have to hold them disrespect and you have to just hold it and know say you are just part of life and you got through same way. What is it? What is it, sir? Right? Me never there with no other nation man yet. But me tell you say, Jamaican man, who the wicked like Barabbas, lie like Beelzebub. And when you get a disrespect, you just have to hold that and hold the can and know say John no star. Yeah. Some woman either go fight the next man, you have some woman to hold them hurt. Not even man, them no one, them never look, them never look the next yeah. Them focus on them children or focus on their jobs. It is full time, this has to stop. This culture of, if a woman wants to move on, if a woman doesn't want you anymore, you want to take her life. Right? And the truth be told, yes, on the one hand, there are men who invest, and I'm still standing by this. There is no rationale or reason to kill anybody and take anybody's life. You cannot blow breath, so it's not your duty to take anybody's life. Okay? But the truth be told, Andrika, you have enough of them money, them not doing nothing at all.
Amen.
Them not contributing nothing at all. Them broke and hungry like church mouse and naked. Them not giving woman them nothing at all. Other than they are evil, Lucifer, Satan agent. For take set from people good clean girl picnic. How much man use woman every day? Rob away, borrow money, and do the things them. I would not walk and kill nobody. So what's so? What the problem? Me not tell them, I feel like I want a late night show, I want to talk some deviant, some different something. Yeah, me trust me. To all my feel, me I tell it, to all my feel. The people, them family, the year just start. The woman just graduated, the woman leave. The lady leave. Good God, the lady gone. And you still insist. You wouldn't even watch the TV and see what other people are doing and say, John Star, you know, say, John Star, yeah. But you know, me, kill the vibes of your star. I'm not depend that. This culture of a woman cannot leave a man. Why? And yet, when a man wants to leave us, wanna run out of town like loot upon a scooter. No question, no ask, nobody no business. You left woman with picnic, left woman without picnic in her belly. Gone. Gone. Nobody no spots on the down there, dance on a flat and drink anything to make many say. And what a problem, and what a problem. Bellevue supposed to pull her run over. If Jamaican women supposed to start talk the things them and talk the hurt and the disrespect and the desertion, the abandonment where them got through. I don't know, 1 generation and a 2 generation. The Jamaican man them, no man, summer after done man. I want to sign a contract with Satan. I want to keep it so. And then when people talk about single, you know, you have a set of people, you have a cohort of persons who make it look like being single is the worst thing on planet Earth. And sometimes, me tell you, you're alone, but you're not lonely. And sometimes single is the best option. You're free from STD, STI, you have your peace of mind, nobody now bother you, nobody now bad you up. Come on, man. Everybody are big people. Why have to do that something here? And every day, and then sometimes the people that were killed, it just hurt me. It just hurt me. You don't buy plane, you don't buy building, you don't buy yacht, and even when you buy plane and yacht and boat. My life is mine. If a woman decides she no longer wants to be with you, if a man decides they no longer want to be with you, God, sir, big up your nice clean self. Go with God. Amen. Bye. Why do we have to go through this all the time? And rob families of their daughters, their nieces, their mothers. You're robbing children of their mothers. And for what? And Andrika, okay, for what? At the end of the day, what is the reasoning? For what? For what? Nothing sensible. If a girl want to leave you, man, you go find a next girl. How much other woman they about? If a man want to leave him free to leave me a pack you and send you go home, bye. Because from a man show me, say me like me hate everything about him and him shadow me hate. So how me hate him. Peace. Andrika, me will love you 2:05 and 2:07 me 8, 9 and 10. You never know. Because from me know say you don't like me, you not into me. Me not like you neither, sir. After know you blow breath. When me look on the 10 commandments, your name not depend for say, you have to there with you to enter heaven. Oh, wicked and lie like Jamaican man and do the things them. You have some women who have some stories, some experiences. If you hear them, you cry tears. Enough is enough. And to me, it's almost as if there is like a competition to see who can do it worse and who can do it more gruesome and, you know, who can do it too. Ladies, let me warn you. When you see the red flags, when you see the lights flashing, do not take it lightly. Stop tell lie for the man them. If you have a man and him a treat you good, he might treat you good. But any man will take step with you, it get physical, it get emotional abuse. Extricate yourself from the situation as quickly as you possibly can because your life may depend on it. Anytime a man gonna talk about, oh, if you left me, I'm gonna kill you. There is nothing funny about that in the slightest. Take those words, take my grandmother say, take sleep, my death. If a man is going to exhibit certain type of violent tendencies, and this goes for rich man, poor man, educated man, can't read, dunce man, every kind of man. Because every kind of man beat. And every kind of man can be a devil. Whether uptown, downtown, round town. Do not take these things lightly. That's why I tell you something not too like ramp with man. Because I don't want next thing you test me out. You're going to push me for see how I'm going to react. Yeah. And then you're going to thump me. Yeah, because you want to try me out. Yeah. Well, the first thump back me give you, you're not going to like it. Ladies, you have to be very perceptive. Be aware, because a lot of times there are signals and there are signs. Please do not ignore them. Do not ignore them. And for the people them, the dogged people them, where you could have sent on 10 vice note, 50 vice note, if the woman they have 50 man, 10,000, she's a poster. It's still not getting a right to take nobody's life. So you could have sent vice note, heart note, heading note, C note, any kind of note. It does not behove anyone to take anybody's life. And if you're in a relationship, and the man give you a bun, you take for yourself. Leave. Because that's the depend me general, big up yourself, you know, coming to depend that with you. So stop trying to find excuses. I already done one. The woman them already for try on the best. Now put on yourself in harm's way and precarious position. Because every man have a good heart, and every man got just leave you alone. But truth be told, enough of them broke out hungry and now contribute nothing, give nobody nothing. So they don't have no reason. None at all. Someone have pestilence. I told the mother never hear the pastor nor ad, that's why I'm not born. Me ignorant. You never know. Me want to talk the things them. The mothers and the fathers that grow on the sons to think that women are property, that we are chattel, please. Take that out of the son mind. Women are not their property. You cannot own we. We're not to be owned. We're not slaves. We're not property. We're not chattel. So if a woman wants to leave, it is her prerogative to leave. How much time man give woman bun? Good God. Andrika, why is it that Jamaican man give bun and can't take a cookie? And what the problem? Because when the man give bun, you know, they might give bun without wrapping. So how they might get the bun per wrapping? It they in a box. I mean, I see a Jamaican woman a kill and a go on so, and a carry on like this. Me can't tell me here, oh, woman kill man and then kill herself. Nobody do that. You in your small corner and I in my, I just go take myself, I'ma cry. Me I'ma pick them, I'ma build back, or take it to the church, take it to New City, if I that me I deal with. The man them will hear on a friend them, make these talks, these callous, careless, heartless talks about one what they want to do to woman who need to intervene. Who need to stop them in their tracks and say, no, me done. They pan them thing they know. Woman for living if a woman left me still, you know, me just done with it, you know. And on to the next one, you know. Because you have good, better, best. Never let it rest till your good become better and your better best. Which one you rather? Dead in a prison or alive and free to look somebody else? Sometimes the people that will kill up themselves over don't make no sense. Sometimes when you find somebody better, somebody new, you say, then God have grace. So that me did that in pan. Father God, they could have sent a man or sent a girl earlier. Because sometimes what you think is it is not it.
Far from it.
It's far from it. If the people them want to move on with them life, allow them to do so. I mean, I want you to voice note, me not cater. Me no business, me no real response. Because the girl want to take 50 man, it still not give you the right to kill her. Because when the man them take the woman, she and the old lady, we just have to sit down in one corner and just take it so. And woman just look so. Me said enough time, I see woman at church, I get in a spirit, I think of the spirit, the Holy Spirit. I want to remember all she got through. How much iron burn her, how much picnic she have. And after all our years of service, man left her and got married to somebody else. And Andrika, there's nothing you can do about it. Because when a man ready to leave, him leave without warning. You cook all him food. You iron him clothes and the next woman take it off. You wash all man clothes and make up the pan it. Man let it all smell like Irish Spring and come back smell like carbolic. And you can't ever ask no question about it. Me not see no woman go answer. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. And ladies, we have to start stand up for ourselves. We are called upon the prime minister, private sector, every sector. We are called upon every household. Women are not property. We're not slaves. We cannot be owned. And if we want to leave and so choose to leave, we are within our right to leave. What we can't understand, you have man who treat woman bad. You bun the girl go, you bun her go, you bun her come. You disrespect her. You give her all STD and the things them. You broke your now, walk your now, contribute nothing at all. And when the woman fed up now and have enough and want to move on, you have a problem. Oh, you bad, sir. You're unreasonable though. I'm not telling a lie. You're bad. You're body. You're bad. When the woman a give you back a taste of your own medicine, you eat her, you ignorant. You never know how it feels, sir. I saw heartache feel, yeah. When you have your only for woman them, yeah, so we feel so, yeah. You never know. It's hard, yeah. But what you can do, go read the Psalms or go on crusade. Because when women have a heartbreak, we go a crusade and choir practice. And anyway, you look for them, invite you to church, you go to church and you cry out right on the altar, and you make the pastor put a consecrated alibi for your forehead, and you read Bible day in, day out, and ask Father God to ease the pain. And that's we do. We're not killing nobody's son. I want to somehow a big head ugly man, me ignorant. I want class to know and talk some different things. This cannot work. We can't continue along like this. We have no respect for life. So somebody with whom you have had intimate times, you know, you lie down with, talk with, have good little times. Have children with. Oh, you do it. Oh, you do that. Not even your baby them, you won't even think about them. If you say, I don't like that woman anymore, I want, you know, want left more leg on your son, you know. But the baby them, not even the kids them, will not think about. Oh, no, wicked. Wicked. Not even the baby them. For have look mercy for say John Star, you know, say, I can't really take a mother your car. You know, the youth them. Not even that's what I say, hey, trust me, listen, this is just too much. It is too much. When you have no heart, one not kill for can stay. If you don't want to kill some people, go over America and tell them so they want to try out for the army. License your life, kill. Weak men, wicked men, and evil men kill women. Real men don't do that. Me say me dark like midnight. May I tell you? Me say me come out of class, Martina, and when me see this something, me have to text her Tajna. Come here, say maybe because of the soldier one, maybe I mean them dig up an old one and put out. Only to hear about this young lady now, right? The lady leave. Good God Almighty, leave. Leave and move on back her parents. To own a heartless and wicked. And you got the people them good, clean, picnic, yard. The family in a shambles. My heart goes out to every family who grieve right now. The amount of women at Jamaica were heartbroken. Trust me, no tourists could come back. The amount of splinter with the boy. We're heartbroken in pieces. I was still a carry on same way. I never seen a Jamaican woman that kill nobody. No man bun way and do the things them. So only like give bun and can't take bun. Awa. If you can't take bun, no go join some Jehovah Witness. I know some watchtower, some super corner. I don't know. What the problem? Enough of these men who are taking these women like nothing you're not doing, nothing they're not doing, nothing. Or whatever you can stay, that don't work mention. Nobody has the right to take a woman's life. And I stand by that. I could have 1,000 voice note, I could have letter, I could have pen pal. I don't care. I don't care. All I encourage women, do not put yourself, try as best as you can, not to put yourselves in these precarious positions with these men, right? Where they feel that they own you or they feel that they have a right because they've invested in your mother, invested in your sister them. Yeah, investing in them. And that's why I'm telling you, from now till eternity, me ever go stress independence, me ever go stress self-worth and self-value. Work and have your own things. When you see the red lights flashing, when you see the red flag, then beware. Don't take it lightly. Me say take sleep, mark death. Yo, when you left me, you know, I dead, I kill me, I kill. What you just say? What you just say a while ago? Sometimes you take your hand, take time, take your hand at a tiger mouth. If you know you have a monster what dealing with, you take your time and you leave. Leave with the clothes by your back. When you reach where you go, you can start afresh. When you're in the grave, you can't start over. Some people, oh, me now let become a stove. Me now let become a fridge. Me now let become me by my bed. And me now left because my clothes and me can't bother start over, y'all. It better you live with your sanity and you live with your life. Material things can replace. Once you reach somewhere, once you have ambition, God will open doors of opportunity for you. If it now work, it does now work. Cut and stop try. Turn junker in a hummingbird. We waste too much powder upon blackboard. Some of them for go. Worse of them not contribute nothing really. But when them pants, cause some of them that alone them have nothing more. Don't ignore the signs. Look and be honest with yourself. Even if you tell a friend them lie, be honest and you look at and say, no, said a boy, no mean me no good for show. Me no like how him move, me no like how him talk. And your reason, that's why it is important that you speak to your partner till you get an idea as to their mindset. And again, I'm appealing to persons. When you hear these Satan agent, right? These monsters make declarations, oh, mega killer. Call somebody. Don't